Hey guys, what's up? I'm Arjit and welcome back again to another new video of my YouTube channel. And in this video today, I'm going to show you that if you are having a Samsung phone and if you have applied this is power planning mode, I mean if you have turned on this option, then in this video today I'm going to show you that how to turn off this mode successfully without having any problem. So now without wasting any further time, let's get started. So of course, to do that, first of all you of course need a phone in which you want to apply it. As here I have this phone and it's a Samsung J7 Prime 2. And first of all unlock your phone, then swipe down the control panel, and here the option is power planning. As you can see guys, it's turned on. Okay, so just simply have to do only one thing, not too many things. Okay, just one thing. Just simply tap on it like this and you're done. Just now look at this option again. By swiping down the control panel you can see that it is turned off. Okay guys, as you can also see it is turned off now. Okay, so that's all. This, then do let me know in the comment section below. And that's all in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give a like, share, subscribe if you have not already, and catch us again in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.